the VPNranks.com YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of VPNs, what they are, why they matter, why you might need one, and much more. So, let's get started. Did you know that every click you make, every website you visit, is being tracked when you're browsing the internet, checking your emails, or maybe streaming your favorite show? More than 300,000 data supplier companies in the United States in 2020 were relentlessly gathering every kind of data, and the percentage of data companies is increasing every year, approximately by a 5% rate. That's where VPNs come in. But what exactly are VPNs? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Think of it as a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. When you connect to a VPN, your data is encrypted and routed through a server located elsewhere in the world. This encryption process ensures that your online activities remain private and secure, shielding you from prying eyes, whether it's your ISP, hackers, or even government surveillance. But why should you use a VPN? Because it is becoming more and more imperative every day to use one. Almost 80% of people are already opting to use VPNs for overall increased security on the internet. More than 60% of the users want to protect their personal information. Similarly, about 50% of internet users are skeptical about public Wi-Fi and choose VPNs while connected to public Wi-Fi. Irrespective of whether you're browsing the web, streaming content, or conducting sensitive transactions online, a VPN has become a must-have to encrypt your data and shield it from hackers, ISPs, and government surveillance. Now, let's address some common questions like, would you need a VPN for Fire Stick? Yes. A VPN not only enhances your streaming experience by bypassing geo-restrictions, but also safeguards your privacy and security. Similarly, do you need a VPN for IPTV? Absolutely. With IPTV services gaining popularity, a VPN ensures that your streaming activities remain private and secure, away from prying data collectors. But what about smartphones? Why do I need a VPN on my phone? Well, whether you're browsing on Android or iOS, a VPN protects your online activities, shielding you from potential threats on public Wi-Fi networks and beyond. Now, let's dive deeper into the benefits of VPNs. VPNs are not just a luxury, but a necessity in today's digital landscape. From online privacy to internet security, VPNs offer various advantages that empower users to surf the internet with their digital freedom. A statistical analysis conducted in that respect discloses that about 47% of the people over the internet use VPNs for enhanced data privacy, 46% for accessing streaming services, 42% for ensuring security on public Wi-Fi, 26% for accessing region-locked entertainment, and 16% for torrenting. First and foremost, VPNs enhance your online privacy. By masking your IP address and encrypting your data, VPNs prevent third parties from tracking your online activities and purchases and stealing your sensitive information. Moreover, VPNs allow you to bypass geo-restrictions and censorship. Whether you're traveling abroad or living in a country with internet restrictions, a VPN grants you access to a free and open internet. But wait, there's more. VPNs also play a crucial role in securing remote access for businesses and individuals alike. A study by the Bureau of Labor Statistics found a positive correlation between 27% of the U.S. remote workforce and their use of VPNs. With more people working remotely than ever before, VPNs provide a secure connection to corporate networks, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected from cyber threats. VPNs also protect you from hackers and cyber criminals who seek to exploit vulnerabilities in your internet connection. By encrypting your data and masking your IP address, a VPN makes it significantly harder for hackers to intercept your sensitive information. Only in the year 2023 in the USA, about 300,000 users were reported to have become victims of spoofing phishing, more than 55,000 personal data breaches, and more than 50,000 of non-delivery over the internet. But it's not just hackers, scammers, or fraudulent activities you need to worry about. Your internet service provider, ISP, may also be monitoring your online activities. From tracking your browsing history to selling your data to advertisers, ISPs can compromise your privacy without your consent. That is one of the reasons why the rate and cost of data breaches for internet users are increasing. Since 2001, the online victim count has increased from 6 victims per hour to 97 per hour, a 15-17% increase over the last 20 years. And let's not forget about government surveillance. In an age of mass surveillance and data collection, VPNs offer a crucial line of defense against prying government agencies seeking to monitor and control your online behavior. Moreover, a VPN protects you from geo-restrictions imposed by streaming services, websites, and governments. Whether you're traveling abroad or living in a region with internet censorship, a VPN grants you the freedom to access the content you want, when you want it. Now, you might be wondering, what are the best VPN services? With several options available, it's essential to choose a reputable VPN provider that prioritizes privacy, security, and user-friendliness. 47% of the people prefer using free VPN and not making a purchase. 26% of the people pay personally for purchasing a VPN, and 24% rely on their employer to pay for a paid subscription of the VPN. Whereas we strongly recommend to get a paid subscription due to the amazing benefits they offer, which free VPNs don't. From household names like NordVPN and ExpressVPN to lesser-known gems like Surfshark and CyberGhost, there's a VPN service to suit every budget and preference. Let's break down how VPNs work in a simple and understandable way. Before we delve into the mechanics of VPNs, let's understand how the internet operates. When you connect to the internet, whether it's through your home network or a public Wi-Fi hotspot, your device communicates directly with websites and online services. However, this direct communication poses a potential security risk. Without encryption, your data is vulnerable to interception by hackers, ISPs, and other malicious actors. This is where you have to enter VPNs, your digital bodyguards in the wild west of cyberspace. But how do VPNs work their magic? Let's break it down step by step. When you connect to a VPN server, whether it's located across the country or on the other side of the globe, your device creates a secure and encrypted connection to that server. This encrypted connection acts as a virtual tunnel through which your data travels, shielding it from sneakiness along the way. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming content, or sending emails, your online activities remain private and secure. Now, we're going to walk you through the ins and outs of using VPNs. Using a VPN may seem daunting at first, but fear not, it's easier than you think. We'll guide you through the process step by step, from choosing the right VPN provider to configuring your VPN on different devices. The first step is selecting a VPN provider that meets your needs. With many options available, it's essential to choose a reputable provider that prioritizes privacy, security, and user-friendliness. Before making a decision, consider factors such as server locations, encryption protocols, and device compatibility. Additionally, read reviews and compare features to find the best VPN for your specific requirements. Once you've chosen a VPN provider, the next step is subscribing to their service. Most VPN providers offer a range of subscription plans, so choose the one that fits your budget and usage. With your subscription in hand, it's time to download and install the VPN app on your device. Whether you're using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, most VPN providers offer dedicated apps for easy installation. Once the app is installed, launch it and sign in using your credentials. From there, you can customize your VPN settings according to your preferences. This includes choosing a server location, selecting encryption protocols, and enabling additional security features. Now comes the fun part, connecting to VPN servers around the world. Whether you're looking to bypass geo-restrictions, access region-locked content, or enhance your online privacy, simply select a server location from the app's interface and hit connect. Once connected, your device's internet traffic is routed through the VPN server, encrypting your data and masking your IP address in the process. This ensures that your online activities remain private and secure, away from prying eyes. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to get hold of a good VPN of your choice. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, a thumbs up will be really appreciated. Plus, here's a reminder to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more on the latest technologies and trends.